Roger Margolis, VP of Radar at O'Reilly. I'm here at Strata, New York 2019. I'm here with Taylor Newill, who's Senior Product Manager, Big Data Product Management. Welcome.
Thank you.
So Oracle has kind of a big data and cloud strategy. Why don't you get into that a little and tell us about it?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's really kind of an interesting strategy because, of course, we've been in data for a long time. You know, we like to say internally, I don't think we publicize it too much, that we own the world's data. Like a large portion of the world's data sits inside of Oracle databases, and that's our core. That's our core product. At the same time, though, the opportunity to build a public cloud has come up, and we're aggressively going down that route. And so what the strategy essentially is to have these merge, and they're absolutely beginning to merge. And so we've begun with software as a service and data platform as a service, but essentially the strategy is to take our core competency of data and to merge it with our emerging competency of cloud, and put those two together.
Oracle has some enviable positions on the Gartner quadrants. And how does the cloud extend what you're doing and kind of complement that?
Yeah, so the quadrant for data, for sure, we're the leader up in the upper right. For the cloud, in general, infrastructure, we're moving along quickly. In fact, we've got the best velocity, I think, of any of the large public cloud providers. And so what we're, the plan is exactly that, to bring what we offer on the cloud, which is our bare metal kind of generation 2 cloud, bring that to the big data offering. So we have a few services that will be launched in the next few months that are built on top of that, that will bring performance to the big data space that hasn't previously, that's not currently out there. Mm-hmm.
So what kind of benefits can your clients expect from bringing all this stuff together?
So the benefits that our customers see by running big data on our cloud really boils down to performance. We've got financial services customers that are able to see performance that they'd never seen before on-prem by running in our cloud. And the reason is quite simple. I mean, it's our engineers, our expertise that are tuning where this data lives, whether it's the database, whether it's the software stacks, and then running it on hardware that's been designed to offer a high level of performance for these types of applications.
Great. So you recently announced a partnership with VMware and Microsoft to bring more of the picture together. How can your customers kind of use that partnership for their benefit?
Absolutely. The partnership discussion is actually one that's really exciting. We announced the Microsoft partnership earlier in the year, and this is Microsoft Azure. So we've connected the two large enterprise clouds are now connected together. And that's been extremely exciting, extremely valuable for our customers, because now they can, whether the data is already living in Microsoft Azure and they want to do the compute on our bare metal compute, or if it's the other way around, if the data is living on a database, on an autonomous database sitting in the Oracle cloud, they can pull that into their systems, their other systems that are running on Microsoft Azure. It's good that you caught the VMware announcement last week. Larry was up on stage talking about our new partnership with VMware. There's a lot of people, both internal to Oracle and to VMware, that expressed their surprise that this has happened. It's not something that they had ever expected to happen. But it makes complete sense. There's, again, going back to this concept that data lives on Oracle. Like, we provide a good platform for data to live. Likewise, there are a lot of applications that run on VMware that want to consume this data. And so by giving our customers the ability to run VMware on top of our public cloud infrastructure, it brings the application to the data. And overall, I mean, this is you will continue to see announcements like this from Oracle. Our strategy with partners is to make our customers happy. Whatever our customers are running, we're going to make that possible. If they're running an Oracle database and they want to run that in the cloud, fantastic. You can run autonomous DB in our cloud. If they're running Hadoop, a generic Hadoop, and they want to run it on our cloud, great. You can do that as well. Bring your open source or your off-the-shelf software onto our bare metal cloud, and you can run it there and get better performance than what you'd see anywhere else.
So there's a lot of momentum for the cloud. What would you tell someone who's having trouble getting their hands around the concept?
Of the cloud?
Yeah.
You're not alone. I think it's not so much the concept of like, oh, what is the cloud? What is owning somebody else's computer or renting someone else's computer? But it's how do I harness this energy? How do I harness this capability? And what we tell people is, try it out. Here's $500. Go spin up an autonomous DB. Go spin up a couple of compute nodes and do something with it. From a strategic perspective, what we tell people is focus on your core competency. If your core competency is analytics, focus on analytics. Leave the infrastructure to us. If your core competency is financial services or automotive manufacturing, focus on that stuff. Stop spending your time and your energy and your money on non-core competencies. Mm-hmm. And that's what that's what it boils down to. It's the same reason that you don't store your pictures on your phone anymore. Let somebody else deal with it and just find it when you need it.
Mm-hmm. Great. Well, thanks for your time today.
No problem. Thank you.